Back here on this sod project we've been working on, and we've just completed everything. We've installed our sod. We've rolled it out with a 300-pound drum to make it nice and flat and make sure the roots get good adhesion to the ground. And right now we're just watering it. And this is something we offer for people who don't have an irrigation system. This nice lady actually didn't have an irrigation system at all, and we kind of installed one, kind of a temporary system for her, where we've got 4 different pop-up sprinklers for this main area and then 2 for our other side of the road. So it works exactly like an irrigation system would. You've got the pop-up sprinkler heads. The only difference is one, it's significantly cheaper, and 2, it's ran off of the hose. So what we do is we buy these automatic timers, battery powered timers. You can get these at Lowe's or Home Depot. And then we run the lines in the ground just like for a normal irrigation system. So this is pretty much identical as far as going under the ground to all the sprinklers, and it's the same kind of sprinklers you would use with a full-on irrigation system. The only difference would be coming out of the ground, it goes to the hose instead of to the some kind of sprinkler valves and all that stuff. They have irrigation valves, and but you can see right here we've got some nice green sod. It's all getting watered. Those timers are set to automatically come on in the morning. Over here's our other side, and our timer for the other one, for the other side of the house. So that's a normal sod install for us. If you need us to install sod, or if something's happened to your lawn and you need it to be replaced, just give us a call and we'd be happy to put a quote together. And don't worry about it if you don't have an irrigation system. We can fix something up like this temporarily for you. This could last a year, it could last 10 years, but at least it'll get this sod good and established before we get into the summer heat, because I definitely wouldn't want to be installing sod at this time of the year with nothing in place to water it, because it's all going to die.